Most people who try to get rich fail, not because they are lazy, not because they are unlucky, but because they are trying the wrong way, and nobody told them. Think about what trying usually looks like: working harder, saving a little more, feeling motivated for a week, then going back to exactly the same life. The effort is real, the intention is real, but the results never come. And after enough failed attempts, the brain makes a quiet decision. Maybe this is just not for me. And that decision is the most dangerous one of all. Most people approach wealth as a destination, a number they want to reach, a lifestyle they want to have. But wealth is not a destination, it is a system. And a person can want a destination forever, without ever building the system to get there. There's a concept called magical thinking, the belief that wanting something hard enough will somehow make it happen. But the brain that waits for the perfect moment will wait forever, because the perfect moment was never coming. Most people focus on income when they should be focusing on behavior. They ask, how do I make more? When the real question is, where does it all go? Increased income without changed behavior produces zero long-term wealth. Lottery winners who go broke. Athletes who retire with nothing. These are proof that money without the right thinking disappears. Every single time. There's also something called the comfort trap. The moment life becomes slightly bearable, the brain stops pushing. It says, this is enough. And so the person stays. Not poor enough to be desperate, not rich enough to be free, stuck in the middle forever. The people who actually get rich, build systems instead of chasing goals, they stay uncomfortable on purpose, because they understand one thing: getting rich is not about effort, it is about evolution, evolving the mind, the habits, the identity, until wealth becomes not something chased, but something inevitable.